So today we are going to cook chicken parya or chicken with bitter melon leaves. Or if you're not fond of bitter, you can use spinach. In a pot of 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat, saute sliced garlic, onion, and ginger. Then add 2 pounds of chicken cut into serving sizes. The sliced chicken was cleansed by sprinkling salt and rinsing under running water. Cook the chicken until it is no longer pink in color. Cook for around 5 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then cover and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. While it is simmering, now you can prepare your vegetables. I use the Ampalaya leaves or bitter melon leaves, or we call it Parya leaves here, because it is a very rich source of antioxidants and vitamin C and helps to fight with inflammation and also for diabetes management. Okay, so after simmering, we now add 4 cups of water. Then let it boil. Then just scoop out the scum and dump into a bowl. Wash the bitter melon leaves in running water and drain. When the chicken is cooked, that is when tender fork, you can now add the parya leaves or the ampalaya leaves or the bitter melon leaves. Cook for 10 seconds, then season with salt to your taste. This cooking method is the same as cooking chicken tinola or chicken papaya. You just have to put the papaya first, then add your choice of green leafy vegetables. Here you can choose if you like the bitter melon leaves, or if you like the marunggay or the moringa, or if you like to use the spinach. This is a classic Filipino soup that is very popular in Hawaii. It is popularly known as chicken tinola. It is some kind of comfort food, especially during rainy season. It keeps you warm, and when you are sick, it makes you healthy. And if you have sore throat, it soothes your throat because of the gingery taste.